Taking profit in crypto bull run is pretty easy thing to do. Today I'm going to teach you how you guys can take profit in crypto bull run. So for that you have to follow these techniques in order to do that. So the first thing is you need to set profit target based on technical or fundamental analysis. Just technical or fundamentally analyze the situation and set targets according to you. Use trailing stop loss. There's a stop loss order to secure profit. So you can use the stop loss order to secure profit. Diversify your portfolio to spread risk. This means don't just invest in one thing, invest in multiple things. They say, what they say, don't put all of your eggs in one basket. This is what it means. Now take partial profit at different price level. Don't just try to go for buying a Bitcoin and making a huge profit. Just try to go for different coins with different price levels, so you will be able to make different profits. Stay informed about the market trends and news. This means just try to stay informed, try to have the latest information, so that you don't miss out anything. Reevaluate your strategy. Just reconsider your strategy. If you might be failing, you have to reevaluate or reconsider your strategy. Control emotions. Just control emotions. Suppose you're making a profit and your gut says that it is not right, just stop the emotions. Even if you are making a lot of money, try to believe on your guts or the experience that you have. Consider implications. You have to consider that as well. Secure profits by diversifying into stable assets, which means just diversify and invest in the coins or in the currencies which are more stable. So that's pretty much it. That's how I'll be able to do it. Hope you guys find this video helpful.